What's good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades, the home of the #1 stock market trading and investing channel on all of the tube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a penny stock that has been trending higher. They came out with some recent updates. This is a penny stock that we've broken down in a previous video, but since the company has been moving up and has came out with some big updates, I thought it would be time to jump back into it, take another look at it, and do a deep dive. If you're new to the channel, we talk about the hottest stocks in the market every single day, so consider hitting that subscribe button for me, and everybody go down there and like that button. The penny stock we're going to be talking about today is in a sector that typically benefits when the market is weak. When people are scared in the stock market, they flock to this sector. And with the stock market being at all-time highs, I think this sector is a place where I want to get some exposure. So let's break down this penny stock. Let's get it. Everybody check out the link in the description for Webull. My broker that I use every single day is offering the Touchdown Trades community 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 if you sign up with the link in the description. The company, the penny stock we're going to be breaking down in today's video is Winston Gold Corp. This is a gold mining company, gold and silver, high grade, low cost, near-term gold production, and they're based in mining-friendly Montana. This is a sponsored video. I will always announce in the beginning of the video if I am doing a sponsored video. However, I have not been told what to say, and the company who's paying me is not reviewing the video before I release it, and I only do sponsored videos on companies that I find interest in. So let's break down this Winston Gold Corp. Winston Gold Corp is a junior mining company focused on generating cash flow by advancing high-grade, low-cost mining opportunities into production. So they take areas that are not yet in production, they see big opportunities in, and they start mining in those areas and look to turn them into producing mines. Their management and operations teams have considerable experience identifying and developing high-grade underground mines that exhibit excellent potential for success. The Winston Project. The Winston Project exhibits the key characteristics that they believe have the paramount to success. This is a historically producing area in the district. It has produced over 100,000 ounces of gold. 100,000 ounces of gold, that is a ton of gold. It's an easily accessible area by road and power lines cross the property. That might not sound like a big deal, but when you're talking about mining, that is a huge deal. A lot of times in the off months, winter months, some of these mines you can't even access because the roads are bad, but this is not the case with this Winston project. So this is a high risk, high reward penny stock since the market cap is so tiny, market cap of just 31 million US. But as the company came out with this huge news PR that they're finally producing gold and silver, its calculated risks have probably diminished by a good bit. The biggest risk typically when investing in a gold mining stock, especially these junior mining penny stocks, is that they're not going to get to a place of producing the gold and silver. Well, Winston just came out with this big PR that they are producing gold and silver from their projects right now. They came out with this PR just a couple days ago, early February. They came out and said, in just less than 6 months, our team has managed to rehabilitate and update the Paradigm Mill facility to a stage where we can now produce concentrate. Concentrate is the pay dirt, and then you run that pay dirt through the gold wash plant or the silver wash plant, whatever, and then it gets rid of all the dirt. All you have left is that gold, baby, that precious metal, that ka-ching, ka-ching. Let's talk about Joseph Caraba. The executive chairman of Winston Mining is, in my opinion, one of the most highly respected executives in all of junior mining companies. And Joseph Caraba has put his money where his mouth is, and he has invested and owns 14% in Winston Mining. So not only is he an executive, but he's also a big investor and has invested more than $2 million US into Winston Mining. And guess what? He has not even sold a single share to date. And the stock is up a few $100% since his initial investment. He hasn't sold, so obviously he has the belief that this company is still undervalued. He's also so bullish on the company's prospects that a lot of his close friends and associates have invested in Winston Mining as well. 39% of the company's shares are held by Joseph Caraba and his close associates. If that's not telling, I don't know what is. Mr. Caraba was making $300,000 a year in a cushy job, and he actually resigned from that job to take this position in Winston Mining, and that $300,000 a year didn't even include bonuses. So he is making a big bet on this Winston Mining, and I like to see companies where the executives are not only just getting a paycheck from the company, but they're putting their money where their mouth is. And that is the case here with Joseph Caraba and Winston Mining. Let's say gold is at an average price of $1,800 per ounce, silver at an average price of $25 per ounce. If they can find 0.25 ounces per ton, that would give the company more than $7 million of EBITDA and an earnings per share of 15 cents. This would be one of the most attractive junior mining gold companies out there if that is the case. Here's an overhead shot of the Winston property. We have the Winston Gold District is situated 18 miles southeast of the capital of Helena and approximately 2 miles southwest of the small community of Winston. This is a year-round access by paved highway, a major power line intersecting the property, and a railroad siding within 2 kilometers. The Winston District is located 37 kilometers southeast of Helena, Montana. The Winston property has 2 past producing mines, the Custer and Edna mines. The district has a rich history of mining dating back to 1867, with an estimated total district producing of 100,000 ounces of gold from 150,000 tons of ore. So this is an average grade of 0.67 ounces per ton. Remember, we just talked about if we give this company a 0.25 ounce per ton rating, then the company would theoretically be undervalued compared to its peers. And the district has a history of producing 0.67 ounces per ton, which is a really good look. So the drilling results are looking very promising along this Custer vein. So they did drilling and the test came back and showed that the drilling intersected a high-grade Custer vein, including 4.4 feet of 18.8 grams per ton gold. That is a really good sign. So I think this big news that they are finally producing gold and silver at their project is absolutely huge. Their future upgrades at the Paradigm Mill facility also include a soon-to-be operational WIFO table, which will enable fine particles to be processed to improve overall gold and silver recoveries from the gravity circuit. So the stuff that goes through the wash plant, I guess they're going to run it through this upgrade that they're adding to the facility, which will catch the fine particles that may have previously been missed, which in turn could theoretically improve the results and increase the production. All right, let's take a look at this chart real quick. Take a look at the technical side of things. So if we look at a 1-year chart, we can see that Winston was trading back here at just 6 cents in May and has been on a steady uptrend and is trading more than 100% higher today at 13 cents per share. Nice steady uptrend there on the 1-year chart. If we kick it back to a 5-year chart, we can see that back here in 2017, Winston was trading as high as 45 cents per share. Today we're trading at 13 cents per share. So if Winston can ever regain and retest those all-time highs of 45 cents per share, that move is almost 400% from today's price if that does indeed happen. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen. That's just pure speculation. But those all-time high prices are 350, 400% from today's price. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up the video. Make sure you do your own research, do your own due diligence. Investing is risky. This is not financial advice, all that stuff. Also, check out the link in the description for Webull, where you can get your free money, your free stocks. I love all of you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.